Okay, this is just a short video on tires. I had to buy tires for my Kia Soul, and I looked around all over the place: Costco's, Walmart, Tires Plus, Discount all Tires, all those places. And I always wind up usually back to the same place, and in my case, it's Sam's. For some reason, you can't beat Sam's prices on their tires, and they do have a pretty good selection. And if they don't have it, they'll order what they have in another store or in the warehouse. In my case, I was looking for 205 60 R16 tires, and I'm not a big fan of Goodyear and a lot of the off-brand tires, South Korea and all those places, Vietnam. And I'm real specific. I either like Michelin, BF Goodrich, Pirelli. I've always liked Pirelli. And I've noticed on the Pirelli that I had in the past, they last a long time. And I really didn't want to buy tires again for a long time. So I came across these Pirelli P4 AS Plus Persist tires at Sam's. And I had asked the guy there if they're a common tire, how often do they keep them in stock? Because if I ever have a flat, I want to make sure I can get the same tire again. He goes, "Oh, we have these all the time. These have been out for years." And what caught my eye on this, not only the price of 128, which nowadays is an actual good price, believe it or not, but it also had an 85,000 mile manufacturer's limit warranty. And they also include like a road hazard warranty. And whenever I look at the traction and temperature ratings on tires, I always want at least A. And both are AA on these tires, and I like seeing that. Time to get 40, 50, if you're lucky, 60,000 miles. This one's got 85,000. And the good thing about this buying from Sam's is they usually have a sale going on. Right now they have $100 off a set of four. They also give you the $20 per tire installation package. The tire installation package includes the warranty, includes tire install, balancing, and rotation. I think that the balancing and rotation are a life of the tire, so you can go back there after 6 months and get your tires rebalanced or rotated. Most people would just get rotation, but for the price, 128. I mean, I was looking at tires at 190, 180. The closest I could get was maybe 148 for some Goodyears, and I'm not interested in Goodyears, like I said. So I got these tires, and I didn't want to do a review until it rained out. Basically, the only negative I saw about these tires is there might be a problem in wet conditions with braking. So I went out and did about 55 miles an hour and braked, and there was no sliding or anything like that on these tires. I think for these tires, for the most part, people were concerned about the two lines in the middle of the tire. You can see them here on the picture. That most tires have four and allows more water to exit the tires. I don't have a problem with this at all. The other thing that you may have, these tires are really hard. Like the rubber is really hard. That's how they can get 85,000 mile warranty on them because they're not going to break down like, let's say, Goodyear. My Goodyears would break down really quick. Nails would get them and all the time. And I know people don't relate to that, but I don't want to get a Goodyear that is going to get a nail in it on the sidewall and you're pretty much stuck with a bad tire. Um, they give you a warranty on these. They give you 3% back on your Sam's card when you purchase them, and you get the $20 per tire, so that's $80 right there, and then $100 off. So the price includes everything for 128.77 except for tax and recycling. And believe it or not, that's a good price nowadays for tires. I think I might have paid a little less, so the tires might have went up since last month since I purchased these. But I think you're doing good if you get these tires. They have other sizes for other cars. And Pirelli's been around for years. And I remember my last Pirellis, and they lasted like 80,000 miles. They they just kept going. I think I had to replace all my other tires because it was an odd tire out, and this one wasn't the one that was giving me problems. And they don't make any noise. They're kind of quiet. I don't hear any road noise, which is pretty good considering they're pretty hard rubber tires. The ride is just like any other tire I've had. It probably could be a little better cushioning, but that's minor to me. I want longevity on my tires. So these tires, I think, will last me a long time. And at the price, you might want to think about getting tires because tires are just going to go up in price. These were probably like $70 at one point, $60, and now they're 128. So you could see that tire inflation is outpacing inflation overall. And you get everything with this tire install. Unlike a lot of places, they give you a tire price, but it doesn't include install. It doesn't include the warranty. Doesn't include lifetime balancing or rotation. So for a deal, I think you should all check out Sam's. Now I also have a Costco card, and but when I go to Costco, the people never pick up the phone. It's really hard to get an appointment with them, and they have limited selection. They may have this tire in their on online, but then they don't have it in the store. What they do have is BF Goodrich, which is another nice tire. But when you compare BF Goodrich at Sam's with BF Goodrich at Costco, Sam still beats them at price, and they're a lot quicker to install the tire. You're not waiting around all day for your car. So in conclusion, this is just basically a small review on the Pirelli tire, and at that Sam's as well. I think Sam's the only reason we really keep the membership is mostly for the tires. We get all our tires from Sam's, and to keep your warranty, you got to keep the membership, or you got to rejoin. Either way, but they fix the flats for free, and they've been really good. So, and they're all over the place. Sam's are all over the place. So if you have a flat in Michigan or something, you go to Sam's in Michigan and then replace the tire or fix the tire. So I actually suggest that Pirelli are good tires, and my other favorite tire is good BF Goodrich and Michelin. And I really don't like Goodyear or Firestone. I don't like those tires. They seem to wear out really quick or get nails like crazy. I don't know what the deal is with nails in those tires, but I would assume that these tires don't drive as comfortable as those tires because the rubber is so much softer. But for longevity, you can't beat 85,000 miles. So that's my review of the Pirelli P4 AS Plus Persist tires at Sam's Club.